Hi guys, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. As you can see, I've been working hard on this cute little savings challenge. It's 12 months, January through December, and the one special thing that I did do is I learned how to make matching envelopes, which was really hard for me. But anyway, I am going to flip through and show you this. This is up on my Etsy shop. It's $5 for the digital download, and I really love the way it turned out. So I'm going to scoot this over here. This challenge right here, you choose what you want to save. You have 5, 10, 15, or 20. You check the box. If you wanted to save 15, you check the 15, and then you go down and just save all the $15 circles. So this is January's challenge. This is January's envelope. This is February. And it comes with February's envelope. And you can put on here, I'm saving for, like, I'm saving February's for car payment, or I'm saving February's for the electric bill, or I'm saving February for Valentine's Day. So you have, an option to figure out what you want to do with all these little challenges here. Here's March, April, May. I love the green on this one. The green is so pretty. Sorry if you can hear the TV in the background. I forgot to turn it off. And then May's envelope. June. I love the color blue. The camera does not show the justice of the colors that are on these. And then there's June's envelope. July is my favorite one. Look how beautiful that is. And then you have the envelope. But my favorite one is coming up. I loved how it turned out. August, my birthday month, and it is a coral green looking. It's so beautiful, and it has the beach theme is what I really like. It's one last trip to the beach before fall comes in. There's the beautiful envelope that goes with it. September, of course, fall's coming in. You got to have the pumpkin spice. This one is my favorite. October, the envelope is just what caught my eyeballs. Look how pretty that is. I love the purples on this and the oranges, but the purple is just absolutely beautiful. Then you have November, and then December is a really pretty one too. And then at the end of this, you do have a year of savings, the reflection and the results. You have January through December, how much you saved for that month, what you saved it for, and how I felt finishing the month. It gives you a little space to say, I was excited, I was depressed, I was anxious, just a little reflection back of how you felt through the year is right here. And I hope you all go and check it out. It is one file. It's one file. It's easy to print out. And I hope you all go and check out the Etsy shop and see what else is new over there. I've been working really hard on trying to get it updated and throwing more stuff out there. So guys, with that said, thank you for watching, and comment below and let me know what you think about this. Bye guys.